How to change the in-cabin filter for a 2007 Mazda 5. Step 1. Buy the filter in eBay or Amazon. Just search for in-cabin filter, then the make or model of your car. Step 2. Get a short Phillips screwdriver. Step 3. Remove the cover under the glove compartment by pushing the two tabs, then pulling it down. Step 4. Remove the side panel. It's just friction fitted, so just pull it out with force. Step 5. This step is challenging. You need to be a contortionist and need to work blind or use feel and touch. Remove the 4 screws located on the white plastic portion of the cover. They go in the 4 holes, as you can see in the photo below. It's easy to think those 2 screws on the black bar needs to be removed, but that's wrong. You will need to use feel and touch to remove the top 2 screws. Step 6. Remove the 2 filters and vacuum the insides of the filter housing. Notice how dirty the old filter is. It has not been changed for 5 years. Step 7. Most vacuum cleaners won't be strong enough to remove the heavy leaves. Let someone with small hands remove the leaves by hand. Step 8. Your new filter may come with an illustration on which filter goes on top and which one goes at the bottom. The side with the tabs will be on the outer side because the tabs are used to pull it out. If it does not come with an illustration, then just know that the one with a shorter tab goes above. In case both tabs have the same length, then connect both filters by inserting the edge with the widest slat into the edge with the deepest canal. And if the filter does not have side tabs, then see if it has arrow markings to indicate the direction of the airflow. Use this to figure out the orientation. Step 9. Insert the top filter and lift up. Hold it with your finger using your right hand and use the other hand to insert the bottom filter. You need to be a contortionist to do this step. I don't know why Mazda did not make it just a one-piece filter you can easily pull out and insert. Especially you need to replace the in-cabin filter at least once a year. Step 10. Put back the covers. Thanks for watching. And please don't subscribe to my channel.